First, a developing story. The Supreme Court decides to keep an abortion drug available, but could access still be in jeopardy? Good evening. I'm Christine Johnson.
I'm Maurice Dubois. The decision being seen as a win for abortion rights groups.
But the battle is still far from over. This could even return to the Supreme Court for another decision. Dick Brennan here with what this all means for abortion rights going forward. Dick?
Christine and Maurice, the unsigned decision had two dissenters, Samuel Alito and Clarence Thomas. We don't know how the other justices voted, but the ruling guarantees that the status of a drug used for more than half the abortions in America will not change.
The decision by the High Court ensures that the abortion pill mifepristone will remain widely available, while a lawsuit about how it was approved by the FDA makes its way through the system.
People can obtain mifepristone via the mail. People can use mifepristone up to 10 weeks of pregnancy. There is no change at this point.
The decision halts two lower court rulings that would have limited the drug's use.
I thought this was the most likely outcome, that the court was going to step in here and grant this stay.
CBS News Supreme Court correspondent Jan Crawford says despite the ruling, the case is far from over.
There's going to be now arguments and hearings in the appeals courts. They'll have to go through all those appeals. That'll take months. And then at some point, the whole case is going to end up right back here before the justices again.
The decision Friday was welcomed by abortion rights advocates.
We can definitely breathe a sigh of relief. Politicians, judges should not make decisions about people's health care and about making that hard decision about whether or not a person decides personally to have an abortion or not.
But anti-abortion demonstrators outside the court were hoping the conservative majority would uphold a ban.
Many people misunderstood that when Roe v. Wade was overturned, that was it. That was just a starting line.
The battle over the FDA's approval of mifepristone raises questions about whether other drugs could face similar legal challenges.
What has happened to this product may happen to others.
Dr. Jane Haney headed the FDA when mifepristone was approved in 2000.
The safety profile of mifepristone is even better than we thought at the time we approved it.
Tonight, Democrats here insisted that the battle over abortion rights won't stop.
We have to keep doing everything we can to protect a woman's right to choose and protect their right to get this medication, which has always been allowed in the past.
Now, this case goes back to the U.S. Circuit Court in May, and it's entirely possible, as Jan Crawford said, that it could wind up in the U.S. Supreme Court again next year, right in the middle of a presidential race. Maurice.
Okay, Dick, thank you.